Okay. All along the edge. Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Leaving the Bothy. It's as is always the case, the route up to the Bothy takes forever, and when you go back you think, God, is that all it was? But it's a fair jaunt to get there. We're going down into that valley. That is a brilliant Bothy. The sticky path up to the Bothy. We've been spotted by some sheep. Nice bridge. Well, you're hoping this is the right path, although I can see a post quite a way ahead. I think they just don't clear what's fallen down. They expect you to go around it. Good morning, day 9. We had a good stay in the Brattleburn Bothy last night. There were 3 rooms downstairs and a converted upstairs, just a flat 4. There were 5 people up there, 3 Germans, 2 Scottish guys. And then downstairs was Roger and Ted in one room, and Caroline and I in the other. Yeah, really good night. Good chat. Just a good night. And then today we have to get up, making our way through a couple of little towns, and then off to another Bothy, 26k or so. Had good weather yesterday, really good weather. It's nice climbs, good views. And today, now all the mist is burnt off, we should have a good day. But then you're in the hills, so who knows? But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Happen upon a bench and a sign about border reivers. Once you come out of the forest and the hills, you have a 2-3 mile road walk into Beattock. So there we are into the valley, the M74 motorway and Moffat in the distance. You're quite a young guy. We're just going to Moffat, okay? Okay. A single lane road bridge over the mainline railway. This is a little bit longer. This must be the M74. A back way into Moffat. A small amount on the Allendale Way directs you to a cycle path which you can take all the way into Moffat. Making our way out of Moffat back to the path. back on the SUW, and the first bit is through some beautiful beech woodland. Following the river through the valley. Crossing Cornwall Burn. Other waterfalls. Oh, sharp climb. That was tough. I think we go down a bit and then we go up again. We're quite high up here. You can see for miles. Next stage, go up there. This is about 600 metres. All we've got is that last little bit. Croft Hill or something like that. Along the edge, pretty spectacular barren hills that we can see from up here. Off down to the end there and hopefully turn left. Woo! It's wild up here. I was wrong, it's straight over the edge. You assume that's a gust. Huge gusts have knocked all those over. We came across that ridge, right up to the top there, and then slowly down. So this is the sign about taking the low route through the forest, or the high route across the top. Almost perfectly formed. A bit of a goat path on the side of this hill. At least it's more or less following a line, so... Tiring day. We thought it'd be about 26k. It's probably going to be about 32 because we had the in and out to Moffat that we hadn't anticipated. And there's a good view of the path we came down, zigzagging. Such a beautiful bridge to enable you to cross. Not a simple straight over, but lovely arched bridge up and over. Here we go. Warm welcome to the Scottish borders. Back into a forest. Looks like our last bit again is on a forestry track. Looks like our Bothy. Hello? 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 This Bothy has a composting toilet.
Smash that like button.
Woo! Like and subscribe.